Less than 24 hours ago, OpenAI released its newest AI model, ChatGPT 5.2, and this update is already being called one of the most important in years. If you use AI for work, school, or creative projects, you'll want to hear about what's changed, how it performs, and why this matters right now. In this video, we'll break down every significant detail in a way that's easy to understand. Welcome back to NeuroWire Signal. Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you stay ahead of the curve. Today we're breaking down the ChatGPT 5.2. What is ChatGPT 5.2? ChatGPT 5.2 is the newest version of OpenAI's advanced AI model for ChatGPT and developers. It builds on earlier models by being better able to handle real-world tasks that matter to people and professionals. OpenAI designed it to understand long documents better, solve complex problems, and provide more precise answers to difficult questions. Leaders at OpenAI describe it as the most capable version yet in their GPT-5 family of models. This isn't just a minor update. It's a step up in intelligence, reliability, and usefulness. It's meant to help you get work done faster, whether you're building a spreadsheet, writing code, or summarizing a lengthy report. It also improves how it processes images and uses tools, making it more versatile than previous versions. Why OpenAI released 5.2? Now, the timing of this release matters. OpenAI announced ChatGPT 5.2 after declaring an internal Code Red development push to improve core performance, especially Google's new Gemini 3. Although OpenAI leadership said earlier that rival models had less effect on their usage than feared, the company still accelerated development to stay competitive. This shows how fast the AI landscape is evolving. AI companies are racing to release the most potent and practical models, and ChatGPT 5.2 is OpenAI's answer in that race. The result is a model that aims to perform better on real-world tasks that matter most to users like you. 3 versions of ChatGPT 5.2. ChatGPT 5.2 is not a single model, but a lineup of 3 versions you can choose from within ChatGPT. Each version is aimed at different needs and tasks. Instant. This version is designed to answer questions fast and clearly. It's ideal for everyday tasks, quick information, writing help, and simple work. It provides accurate responses quickly without requiring significant processing time. Thinking. This version takes a little more time, but gives deeper, more thoughtful answers. It's suitable for complex research, coding help, math, and multi-step tasks. It improves on reasoning and logic compared with earlier models. Pro. This is the most advanced version available. It's built for professional and expert work where accuracy and quality matter most. Pro is best when you need the highest level of output, like research-level writing, detailed technical tasks, and rigorous problem solving. This tiered approach helps users select the appropriate version for their goal, whether it's a quick answer or a deep solution. Major new abilities in 5.2. ChatGPT 5.2 brings several significant improvements over previous models. One of the biggest changes is the amount of text it can understand at once. Earlier models had smaller context windows, meaning they could only consider a limited amount of text in a single session. With 5.2, that window is much larger, so you can upload or paste longer documents, like contracts, reports, or books, and the model can retain context and understand the whole document without breaking it up. Another upgrade is in handling real-world tasks. ChatGPT 5.2 is now better at generating structured professional content, such as spreadsheets and presentations. Before we continue, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a pulse from NeuroWire Signal. Better reasoning and fewer mistakes. One of the most significant differences between ChatGPT 5.2 and earlier versions is how it reasons through complex questions. Earlier versions sometimes made obvious mistakes when a problem needed multiple steps of thought or deeper analysis. With 5.2, OpenAI says the model hallucinates less. That means it's less likely to make up incorrect facts, and it gives more reliable logic and planning in its responses. This is especially important for tasks such as writing code, analyzing data, planning long essays, and solving technical problems. When you rely on an AI to help with professional work, accuracy and clarity matter a lot. ChatGPT 5.2 is built to deliver better results in these areas. How to access and use ChatGPT 5.2. ChatGPT 5.2 is rolling out gradually, beginning with paid plans such as Plus, Pro, Go, Business, and Enterprise. paid users receive early access and greater control over which of the 3 versions they use. The rollout is staged, so not everyone will see it immediately, but it's becoming available worldwide. Free-tier users can also access ChatGPT 5.2, but with limits. Those users will automatically use the fastest version by default, and message limits may reset after some time. This helps make the upgrade available to more people while managing load on OpenAI's systems. Developers and businesses can also use ChatGPT 5.2 to build apps and services that leverage the new model's intelligence. This opens up possibilities for tools, automation, customer support, and more. Real uses. You can try today. ChatGPT 5.2 is powerful, but what can you actually use it for? Here are practical ways to put it to work. For students and learners, the Thinking or Pro models can help summarize long readings, explain complex concepts, and organize notes into clear study guides. For writers and creators, 5.2 can help draft scripts, articles, and presentations with structure and coherence that earlier models struggled to maintain in longer projects. For developers and engineers, this new release provides improved coding assistance, debugging support, and guidance on multi-step logic problems, making it easier to build software more efficiently. For professionals, 5.2 can handle tasks such as creating polished spreadsheets, drafting business documents, and analyzing long text or data, saving hours of manual work. In short, it's designed to help you do more, faster, and with fewer errors. Limitations to keep in mind. Despite these improvements, ChatGPT 5.2 is not perfect. It still relies on data patterns and can make mistakes, especially in highly specialized or technical domains where expert human review is essential. You should always double-check critical work before relying on it entirely. AI models also depend on the quality of the prompts you give them. Clearer, specific instructions tend to yield better results. ChatGPT 5.2 has stronger reasoning, but it still requires clear user guidance to perform at its best. OpenAI is also planning enhancements, including new safety features and optional modes, to be tested in 2026. Why this update matters? ChatGPT 5.2 matters because it moves AI closer to being a reliable tool people can use in daily work and life, not just for casual conversation. It reflects how AI is being pushed toward real productivity tasks, things that professionals, students, and creators deal with every day. The rapid pace of AI development also highlights how quickly this technology is evolving, with companies competing to build stronger models. ChatGPT 5.2 is OpenAI's newest answer in that race, and for users, it means access to smarter, more capable AI than ever before. ChatGPT 5.2 is here, delivering meaningful improvements in understanding long text, reasoning more deeply, and performing real-world tasks better than previous versions. Whether you're a student, professional, developer, or creator, this update gives you tools that can help you get more done and save time with less frustration. Thanks for watching NeuroWire Signal. Wait until you see what's next. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future is signaling.